Giggles and grapes.
A4. Ankylosaurus. This is Ankylosaurus. A4. Ankylosaurus. Say it with me. An-ki-lo-saur-rus. Good job. Look, it has a bony club on its tail, sharp spikes down his side. Ankylosaurus means fused lizard, because bones in his skull and body were fused together, making it very tough. B4. Brachiosaurus. This is Brachiosaurus. B4. Brachiosaurus. Say it with me. Bra-ki-o-saur-rus. Good job. Brachiosaurus means arm lizard, because its front legs or arms were longer than the back ones. Look at its long front legs and long neck. Wow, it's huge. It ate a lot of food, so do you think it was heavy? Yes, it was. C4. Carnotaurus. This is Carnotaurus. C4. Carnotaurus. Say it with me. Car-no-tor-rus. Good job. Carnotaurus means meat-eating bull, because it fed on other dinosaurs too. Look, it has bull-like horns, slender legs, and tough armor-like skin. It's an attacker. Let's run. D4. Diplodocus. This is Diplodocus. D4. Diplodocus. Say that with me. D-plo-da-cus. Good job. Diplodocus means double beam-lired, because it had double bones all along its tail. Look at the tail. It's long, and it could do a whip movement as a defensive move. It had small front and long back legs. It's a very slow-moving dinosaur. You will bypass him easily. E4. Elaphrosaurus. This is Elaphrosaurus. E4. Elaphrosaurus. Say it with me. Elaphrosaurus. Fantastic. Means light-footed because of its high running speed. Look at the tail, it gave it a good balance during sharp turns. It was one of the fastest dinosaurs. You wouldn't want a race with this one.
I won.
F4. Fukuiraptor. This is Fukuiraptor. F4. Fukuiraptor. Say it with me. Fukuiraptor. Awesome. Fukuiraptor means thief of Fukui, found in Japan. Look at its claws. Looks like a meat eater. I think it's still hungry. Let's move on to the next one. G4. Gallimimus. This is Gallimimus. G for Gallimimus. Say it with me. Mus. Good job. Gallimimus means chicken mimic because it looked like a chicken. But hey, it was a lot heavier than a chicken. Look at its feather and feet. Reminds you of the chicken. Okay, I won't call this dinosaur a chicken again. H for Hypsilophodon. This is Hypsilophodon. H for Hypsilophodon. Say it with me. Hypsilophodon. Hypsilophodon means high-ridged tooth. Small but fast-running dinosaur. This one eats plants. I for Iguanodon. This is Iguanodon. I for Iguanodon. Say it with me. Iguanodon. Perfect. Iguanodon means iguana tooth. Look, it had thumbs. Let's give a thumbs up. J for Juravenator. This is Juravenator. J for Juravenator. Say it with me. Juravenator. Very good. Juravenator means the Jura Mountain hunter. Jura Mountains are in Germany. It was a small dinosaur, smaller than an adult human. K for Kronosaurus. This is Kronosaurus. K for Kronosaurus. Say it with me. Kronosaurus. Great. Kronosaurus lived under the sea. Look at its snappy teeth. It was a swimming champ. L for Lambeosaurus. This is Lambeosaurus. L for Lambeosaurus. Say it with me. Lambeosaurus. Perfect. Lambeosaurus means lamb's lizard. Look at the bony crest over its head. It was a vegetarian just like a lamb. M for Mosasaurus. This is Mosasaurus. M for Mosasaurus. Say it with me. Mosasaurus. Excellent. Mosasaurus means the lizard of the Meuse River. They were huge in size and could gulp sharks at once.
Yikes.
They were more related to snakes and lizards.
Subscribe. Like. Don't forget to press the bell icon.